These days, we all take advantage of big data. Big data means big storage, and also big challenges. Billions of files are being generated, stored, and retrieved all the time. In many cases, cloud is the answer, but sometimes you just want to use your own hardware solution. Do you store a lot of mission-critical data? Does your data need to be stored more securely? Do you need an on-site storage solution? We had these very same problems many years ago, and that's why since 2003, we've been busy developing an open-source distributed file system. We called it MooseFS. Since we released MooseFS, it has been used successfully all these years without failure by many companies, and for all sorts of data. MooseFS intelligently assigns data to numerous servers, thereby creating one virtually unlimited storage space. Available like an ordinary hard drive with a POSIX-compliant file system. POSIX is like the normal day-to-day file system you are familiar with. It has folders, files, and so forth. MooseFS keeps data redundant and safe for decades, with uninterrupted access. MooseFS will help you utilize the full potential of your hardware. It saves you time with data protection using redundant copies or 8+ and erasure coding algorithms, RAID 5 extension, minimal maintenance, and parallel data access. MooseFS also saves you money with less hard disk drives required thanks to erasure coding, different storage tiers using different disk types, commodity server-side Linux-operated hardware, and much more. So what particular features does MooseFS offer? Safety and redundancy. All system components and data are redundant, and in case of failure, there's an automatic failover mechanism which is transparent to users. Independent of hardware providers, MooseFS can utilize a wide variety of manufacturers' hardware in one installation because it supports numerous Linux and FreeBSD distributions. Auto-healing and fast disk recovery. In case of either a server or hard disk failure, MooseFS instantly initiates parallel data replication from redundant copies to other available storage resources within the system. This process is much faster than a traditional disk rebuild approach. Usually a 1 TB disk recovery takes no more than 15 minutes. Atomic snapshot. Instant, uninterrupted provisioning of the state of the file system at any particular point in time. Rolling upgrade and easy storage size expansion. Add a new server at any time and your storage space increases immediately. Removing retired hardware doesn't interrupt the system either. Compute on nodes. Support for scheduling. Computation on data nodes for better overall system TCO by utilizing idle CPU and memory resources. Speed. Speed provided by the fastest possible Pure C implementation. Fast drivers for Linux, Windows, OS X, and others. Parallel data access. Scalability up to 16 exabyte storage space. But the safest feature for your data is to try and use the basic MooseFS features for free. Install the open-sourced MooseFS Community Edition in just 20 minutes and see how it works. Contact us if you need assistance.